Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. One common question people are asking that why Islamic banks are charging profit. The other question is why Islamic banks are charging a high profit, their profit rate is so high. Answer number one, kindly note that Islamic Bank is not a charity organization. It is institution, it is a trade institution. They are doing trade, they are doing business. In trade and business, the purpose of trade, the purpose of business is to fulfill needs and to make profit. So the client need to fulfill his need, and the trader or the Islamic bank is need to make profit. The other question, why Islamic bank profit rate is high? So of course it is international principle that if the risk is high, you have the right to charge high profit. Islamic banks are sharing risk, are taking risk, so their risk is high. Due to this reason, yes, they have the right to charge high profit. While if you see commonly in the market, Islamic banks rates at the end are low than others, because Islamic bank is sharing all the risk. Islamic bank is sharing all. In future you will get benefits from this profit rate. So Islamic bank's rate, yes, it seems that the figure is high, but in fact Islamic banks are cooperating, are cooperative, are helping client, and they are not charging anything extra from the market practice. Thank you.
इसमें क्योंकि ये बात इसी टोन में गया conventional banks reschedule their loans afterwards. If the total amount charged after you wait, but आज Islamic banks rescheduling में से कोई एक difference भी इसमें क्या ऐड करना वो फिर हम उस वीडियो के आखिर में ऐड कर देंगे.
And one thing more, in conventional bank, yes, they have the right, and you are signing the contract, and they are doing rescheduling of the loan and restructuring of the loan, and every year they will make some changes and they will make something extra. While in Islamic bank the price is fixed from the day one, so they are not rescheduling and they are not restructuring the due amount against the client. This is Islamic principle. So the conventional bank also charging extra amount if the customer is default on daily basis interest, while Islamic bank they are not charging anything extra on the due amount. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions, and advice for an ideal life.